Hi guys, it's me again. Just to say, this is the second part. This is the Be Strong circuit assembly notebooks. So I'll dive straight in. They're the Gibson Girl design on the front. They're part of the limited edition red, white and black lace that I'll be doing, and should be on my Etsy from the 3rd of December. So I'll start off, it's very similar to the Be Bold. I'll start off with this lady. I'm going to call this one, because of the design on the front, if you can see, I'm going to call this one Be Strong Vintage Parasol, because of the parasol on the front. And this one is on layers of card, and it's lined, so it's double cardstock. If you can see, it's lined and has this the pockets front and back. This one has 40 pages. I've put 40 pages altogether, which is 80 front and back, and I'll call it Vintage Parasol. So when you go onto Etsy, that's what it will be, Vintage Parasol. Okay, so I'll pop in this so I remember. 40. Okay. Is it 40? I'll put 48 there. Right, I'm going to have to recheck that. Okay, so you've got your program front, and you've got program at the back that can be taken out and pinned in anywhere as you go. Okay, so if you like to be looking at your program each time you turn your page, you can. It's really up to you. We all note take differently, so I didn't do the titles for the talks on different pages because that's a bit limiting. But I have done the little not post-its. Oh, anyway, this is the definition of strong, which I've done for that first one. Dictionary definition, and I've collaged it with this little paper and the vintage stamp, if you can see it, which is lovely. The tab on this one is from the vintage fabric, the check, and I've just done a little glass bead on there. Is it glass? Actually, I don't know if it's glass. It might just be plastic, but it's from a vintage. It is from a vintage necklace. I've taken it to bits. I don't know if you could see the front. I forgot to show you that. The layering with a little floral on the front. That's from a vintage necklace. I've taken it to bits. Okay, and that's the back. Right. Okay, let's go straight in. So first page. I think that's the first title of the first talk. So I've got stamping in here. Lots of room for journaling, so not a lot of fancy lace and bits and pieces, because it really is for note taking. That's the theme scripture printed out for you, and you can see I've done some collages there. Get them to stand firm. Tiny bit of stamping. So I've done different types of paper. I've done sort of the square. This is the vintage stamp collection album. Love it. And that's beautiful. Lovely. Okay, really powerful. There we go. A little bit of botanical. Bit of stamping on that one. A bit more of the stamp album. Bit more of the stamp album again. Bit of stamping. These butterflies, because I just think they're gorgeous. Didn't know that was in that one. Okay. Little extra in there with Our Lady. That's the botanical centerpiece on that one. Again, these come in and out. Okay, these are plain on the inside for you to. It could be a little afterthought, or you might want to add other bits under here, other bits of card or little bits of pieces that you like. You might want to pop those in before you go. Feel free to do what you decorate how you like. Might want to add your own washi or bit of lace. There's plenty of scope for that in here, depending on how you like to note take, really. That was the idea. And to try and keep the cost down. Bit of stamping. That's a little notebook that goes in here. Okay. That comes out, but there you go. And they're all, each one of them are stamped front and back, and give you a little bit of extra space. Don't know what for, really. Whatever you fancy. Whatever you fancy. Double stamp on there. Bit of a colouring page. I love these, and I just love the botanical on that. I thought that kind of reflected this. Anyway, so that's that one. And that's the first one of the Be Strong Vintage Parasol. Okay. So Be Strong Vintage Parasol. With this one we're going to call, what have I decided? You can see I've done a little butterfly on this one. She's got a little butterfly rather than the little flower. Regal, grand looking lady. I love it. I love it. I'm going to call this, because of the scrapbook paper. I'm going to call this Be Strong. This is going to be in the Camelia, because I think this kind of reminds me of a camellia flower. I don't know if it is, but that's what it's going to be on Etsy. Okay, so I'm going to call it Be Strong. Let's call it red camellia. Okay, so you've got the red lace and the camellia, so that's what that was going to be. And it has 48 pages in this one, which is 96 front and back, not including the extras. Okay, so I'll pop that in there. So you've got extras on top of that. You've got your little note. So again, as you can see, your program, it's removable, pin anywhere, front and back. That's the back. Okay, that's the. This is the definition collage with a little Tudor building postage stamp, which I love. Let me see what we've got on here. Just a little dangle. Okay. That's your theme scripture, Joshua 1. Music paper in this one. All similar layout, but slightly different bits and pieces will appear. Just the what's the word again? Collage. Journal prompt collage. And combine that one with a bit of stamping as well. This is from the stamp album. It's a beautiful, very, very heavy paper. It's gorgeous. It's got stamping front and back. That's a lovely paper as well. That's from a art watercolour book. And again, this comes out. This one flips out with a little vintage typewriter in the middle. I thought the vintage typewriter was kind of in keeping with this. That's the what's the word I want? Little note paper in that one, notepad in that one. It's got Be Strong on it. And there you go. I liked that. I thought I'd be a little bit out there and do that slightly differently. Vintage botanical for the middle. If you can see that. Oh, it's lovely. This is a little silver floral flower thingy, dangle on the back for the middle section. A little bit of Tim Holtz there. That collage. Done. I might do that a bit more actually, because I really liked it. Just thought I'd try it. They're all different. You might not like it, so don't get this one. I don't know if you can see, that gives you an idea of what the paper looks like. That There we go. And that's a little flip out. And that one, beautiful watercolour paper. So square paper and lined, large lined, fine lined, more of the stamp, vintage stamp album thingy. Bit of music paper and that. And there you go, that's the other side of your scripture. I've printed out the whole chapter. And that's just got a tiny bit, it's got like the little bulb pin, I don't know if you can see, it's just got like a tiny little bead. And then on the back you have, actually let's pop one of these in, shall we? Let's pop that in as well, from a Camelia. Let's pop you there because I think that's beautiful. So that is, what did we say? That is going to be the red and black. It's going to be the Camelia, isn't it? Okay, Be Strong. The last one of this collection is the Be Strong, and I've called this one just black with roses. Okay, and that's self-explanatory really, not going to lie. Not complicated, black with roses, because you've got a tiny bit of roses just on here in the black place. And I've done, there's 40 pages in this one, which is 80 pages front and back, not including the extras. Okay, so on that one you've got, if you can see it there, that's the definition. Front and back you've got the program, which I've done incidentally with tabs at the top, so that you can actually, if you wanted to, just pop it in like that and you can see where you want to start. If you want to sort of pin it in with a tab at the top, so that's how it starts. You can see. There we go. We've got a little dangle here. If you can see, little dangle. Oh. That's on your first tab. All right. That's where your scripture is. Left it quite early on in the book. Am I still in frame? There you go. Oh, this is lovely. This is all about art. That's that first one. On the stamp collecting. And you've got that and that. I thought that looked beautiful. That Tim Holtz. A little bit of that left. This was bought from eBay, this beautiful paper. And collage. There you go. Be Made Powerful. I've done it again just on the angle. It's like the vertical, isn't it? The little notepad. Be Strong. Tiny bit of, and that's the centre floral. And I've done that with the black and white in the middle rather than the colour, just to shake things up a little bit really, but it's still lovely. This has got a tiny little butterfly on it, the centre tab on that one. Beautiful paper, lovely, 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 lovely. Stamping. This is a beautiful stamp actually. You keep forgetting when you're used to something just how lovely that is. Vintage telephone. Little flip out here. Got a little collage in the middle. And it says Stand Firm on the side, a little botanical. Chromity. And what I might do actually, I might have by this time have just shown these in a set, perhaps on Instagram, a little Instagram. Oh, I could do another. Couldn't I? So there you go, guys. That's the third Be Strong of the collection. I will be showcasing next the traveller's notebooks that go with these. Okay. So you can buy them separately if you wanted. As I said, this will be 3rd of December on Etsy. Limited edition, because I won't be doing this design again, although next month I will be doing more assembly notebooks, but in a different design. So if you like, and just like and subscribe if you haven't before, and I hope you've enjoyed this. Take care.